Hello, and we want to continue here. This is Robert with more uh, Inventor training. And so we've been working with these files earlier in Inventor. We learned these. So now we did the part, the assembly, and we did the presentation. So now we're going to focus on the drawing. So let's start a new drawing file. Now to start a new drawing file, you click on the icon on the home screen. So let's click it. And then once you click on that icon, you'll see this page, a sheet will pop up. This is our drawing sheet in our drawing area here. So now to edit the drawing sheet, we need to go to where it says sheets here in our project browser and right click and go to where it says edit sheet. Now we click on edit sheet, and for this exercise, let's go with sheet size B, and will be landscape, and we'll click OK. So as you'll see, we went into a new sheet, the B size sheet. So now we want to go up to our Manage tab now and click on Styles and Standard panel, and we want to click the Styles Editor. Okay. Oh, there. Took a little while for that to pop up. So this is our Styles Editor, and here we have different dialog specifying settings, that we want to use here. So let's look at let me just cancel out of this for a second. I think we jumped away too far. So let's go into our Styles Editor. Okay. So now right here, we've got these different settings. And then here, let's go look at View Preferences. Now the reason why we do this is because the drawing views in this tutorial that we created are third angle projection. So if you wanted to ever change them, you would change them here. Now, meaning third angle projection, that's basically the drawing setup, I think. Don't quote me on that. And so here is all of our settings. Okay, now we're going to click Save and Close here. Now we're going to generate the basic view. Now to generate the basic view, you go to Place Views here, and then we'll go and select this here, and now we'll see this dialog box will open up, and we'll click Open Existing File. And the file we want to open up now, we want to make sure these are set. Yep. So we want to start off. We want to double click on our flange. And so our flange is placed in the picture here, and we can just take it and let's just move it right about, nope. We'll not do that. Let's try that again. And then here you got the views, different views. Here's the scale. And we'll just go open here. And there's our, okay, now let's do a couple of other things here. We want to make this a wireframe. Let's undo that again. I think we should, yeah, we need to do that first. So let's click this guy, make this wireframe. Scale is 1:1. So then we'll go and pick up our flange, just double click. And we should be able to say, okay, now there it is. It's in our view, we're on our sheet, and as you can see, it's wireframe. Or no, we didn't want to do wireframe. Let me select that again. Let's undo this. We want to hit no. Well, it is hidden line. That's what we meant. It's hidden line because we see those dashed lines there. So we have our correct view on our sheet. So we can move this now. We can just see where we have the arrows, and we can just move it. Let's move it right to about there. Okay, now we want to generate a section of the view. So to create a section view, we'll click on our place views. We'll click section here. And then we'll go into this view. And we'll place a point. Let's just zoom in a bit so we can see. Let's place a point here. We'll move the dash line up and then down, straight down to here. Oops, we'll undo that. Let's try that again. So we want to select the view. We want to hit no, we want to hit. So we'll select the base view now. And then we'll place a point here. Move up a bit. And then we'll have this line and just bring it straight down. And we'll click to finish it. Uh-oh. Oh, I wasn't in the command. Sorry, folks. So let's click our section point. We got our view there. Click a point here. Let's just go straight down. And let's go right click. Continue. And there's our section. Let's just drag it out and bring it, push it right over here. Okay, now we have our section, sort of like Rivet. We want to create a detailed view in here now. So let's just zoom in here and see where it says detail. Select detail. And now here, we have this detailed view box to come up. And what it is it's going to give you the shape and the scale. And here it's going to give you the, we want to make it hidden line, or we can have different views types here. And then also we want to select, yep. And then we want to go right here and we want to set the cut edge to smooth. And then we want to click on display full detail boundary. We don't have to, but we should for this, I think. And so then we want to specify, we want to specify a point. So if I can move in a little bit. Let's just specify this point here. And let's pull this out. Let's say about right to there. And then we'll drag this down here. And there you have your detail section. Okay, now let's look at creating center lines. So basically what we need to do here for that is Um, we need to go in our annotate tab on the symbols, and then we'll set center mark. Now to do a center mark, all you have to do is just say, let's say for instance this one. Let's just take this one and this one. Uh-oh, I went out of the command. Annotate, center mark. Oh, there you go. And there. Uh-oh, what's happening here? Okay, so what are we doing wrong here? Oh, I picked the wrong command. Just want this one. So let's take this line, and there's our center line. Let's do this one and this one. And we'll just leave those for now. So we have our center lines. Now let's go and add dimensions here. Let's zoom all. Now let's go and place some dimension lines here. We want to retrieve dimensions. So to retrieve dimensions, we want to click on the Annotate tab. And we want to select the Retrieve Annotation tab on the ribbon. So retrieve model annotations. So we select this guy right here. And let's select the section view. And there are all of our dimensions, which is pretty cool. Okay, so now let's go in here and clean this up a bit. Let's say apply. I'm sorry, let's just, yeah, there we go. So now these dimensions, they're pretty good, but they need to fix these up. So let's go and just drag these, highlight them, and drag them into place here. So let's see, this one can go here. I mean, you know, you got an offer standard of how you should do this. I'm just doing it, but it's pretty neat. Command 47, let's move that up, let's move that to there. Now, I think that's pretty good. Nope, this just needs to be fixed here. So, I mean, this is pretty nice how we'll place the dimensions for you, but what's that? Okay, that can go there. What's this one? I don't know what this one is. 24, where did that come from? I'm not sure what this dimension is right here. Oh, there it is. It's this. Is it? So we can move that. I'm not sure where they got that one from. Anybody know they think about it, let me know. So, but it's a good command regardless. I just don't know where that's coming from. And like we don't need, see, we got two here. We don't really need to have two. So I wonder if I can delete one of them. Yeah, I can. I should delete this one as well, because I don't know where it came from. But that's generally what we have here. Oh, it might have been the center line from the edge. Nope, it wouldn't have been that dimension, because here that would have been Oh, that's the diameter. Oh, it would have been right. So let's go undo that. Nope. I don't know what that is. But we'll just leave it there for the time being. And basically what happened is, now let's go and do this one. So now let's take this little one guy here. So let's go to annotate. Um, retrieve model dimensions, retrieve model annotations, and we'll select this view, apply. Okay, so this is just one dimension here. We can just select it, move it down, or move it right about there. And then we can see, let's do dimensions here, see what happens. We can do it this way as well. Let's cancel that. So we can go and there. Just say okay here. And there. So now let's work on our, let's clean this up a bit. Excuse me. We can delete this out. And now let's just shift some stuff around here. So to move this stuff, you just basically select the view and you'll get those little arrows. And the nice thing about it is, pretty much like Revit, it's parametric. You move things around and there you go. Grab the view and move it. I want to be right about here. And I want to clean this up. So I'm not going to spend all this time cleaning up this drawing, but we just want to see how to set up a sheet in Inventor. So now we have our sheet set up. Let's go and do our populate our title block here. So to populate the title block, in the file menu, iProperty. So we go to file here. And here you see where it says iProperties. You click that. And here, the flange properties dialog box. Click the tabs one by one and fill in the data field. So this is like summary. You can put a title here. Let's call this flange, I guess, or whatever your standard will be. Flange. Subject will be Autodesk. I say Inventor tutorial, Inventor training. And, you know, just fill in the information here. Let's go manager. I'll just say the my initials here. And then whoever the company is, just go U N I DC, which is for me. Okay, category, whatever you want here. Let's go XXX. Then we go to project number 1, 2, 3, 4, stock number, whatever, description, A, B, C. So all of this information here is there for you. And just go through these and just put in the information here. So that's the date, that's the default, which is good. That's just like Revit custom, save. apply, close. So there you go, folks. That's how you do a sheet in Inventor. Want to thank you guys for watching this, and we'll carry on with more stuff later. But for the meantime, we're going to leave it here, and I'll see you in the next video. Kind of clean this up too here. I'm sorry to do that. Yeah. So we'll see you in the next video. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. It helps me out a lot, and I'm able to create more videos. So we focus on Revit, Navisworks, and Inventor. See you next video. Bye.